This is the Precalculus Fall 2016 ACP preview. This is problem 3. Problem 3 has to do with what's called a piecewise function. We haven't gone over these very much in class, but they shouldn't be too hard. Here's a piecewise. A piecewise function is really where you have different function rules that represent different parts of the domain of a function. In this instance, we're given which graph represents f of x, and we have 3 different function rules. This first one here, negative x minus 2, applies for x values of less than or equal to negative 2. And negative quantity x squared minus 4 if x is greater than or equal to negative 2 but less than 3, and negative 6 if x is greater than or equal to 3. And the things we're looking for here is the distinction between greater than or equal to and just greater than, or less than or equal to and less than. And this one right here, you're going to have an open point or an open circle drawn like this. This represents for less than or greater than symbols. And you're going to have the closed point here, which represents either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So those are keys here. Okay, we have first negative x minus 2 if x is less than or equal to negative 2. And so what we're looking for is this. We have this diagonal line with a negative slope, and that looks good in every case. And then our middle piece here is this negative quantity x squared minus 4, which is going to be the upside down parabola, which we see in every case in choice A, B, C, D. And finally, negative 6 if x is greater than or equal to 3. And so we got to look for this. That's where we're going to see it. We're going to need this line segment to be at negative 6. Now we here see in answer choices A and C. I don't know how easy it is for you to see, but we have our line segment at y equals negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So neither A nor C is going to be a correct answer. And then negative 6 if x is greater than or equal to 3. Well, if we look at answer choice B, we see that we have a closed circle here. I'm going to point this out in red. Right here on this horizontal line segment at the end, this horizontal line segment at y equals negative 6. So B is going to be our correct answer. So it's going to take some analysis. Now, I invite you as part of the packet to look at problems 3A and 3B, which are similar types of problems. You'll make similar types of analyses. Just want to point out something, that this discontinuity here is one that you see a lot of times in piecewise function, which is a jump discontinuity. It's hard to get jump discontinuities from a function rule alone. I mean, it's possible to have, but that's one type of discontinuity here. Anyway, good luck on all your problems and your test, and thanks for viewing.